Have you ever just sat there doing nothing and felt absolutely awful about it? That feeling has a name, boredom. And it's one of the strangest things about being human, because no other animal on Earth truly gets bored. Not in the way you do. Your dog might look lazy. Your cat might stare at the wall, but they're not suffering. They're not asking themselves, is this really all there is? But you can have food, safety, comfort, and still feel like something is deeply wrong. Why? What is boredom? And why did evolution give it to us? Scientists define boredom as an unpleasant state of wanting something meaningful, but being unable to find it. It's not laziness. It's not tiredness. It's a specific kind of mental pain, and it may be one of the most uniquely human experiences that exists. And here's the strange part. Your brain doesn't go quiet when you're bored. It goes into overdrive. Brain scans show that boredom activates a region called the default mode network. This is your brain's internal storytelling machine, the part that imagines, plans, worries, and daydreams. So when you're bored, your brain isn't resting. It's screaming, give me something meaningful to do. Now, back to animals. They put rats in completely empty cages with nothing to do. The rats became anxious, stressed, and started self-harming. But here's the thing, that's not really boredom, that's deprivation. Give a rat food, water, a wheel, and a few toys, and it's completely content, satisfied. It needs nothing more. Humans are fundamentally different. Give a human everything they need, and they'll still feel empty. That's because humans have something no other animal has, the ability to imagine a better version of reality. Our prefrontal cortex, the newest, most evolved part of our brain, is a simulation machine. It runs scenarios. It explores possibilities. It constantly asks, what could I be doing instead? What would be more meaningful, more exciting? What am I missing? Boredom is the alarm that fires when your imagined future is better than your actual present. But here's where it gets really interesting. Boredom didn't evolve to punish you. It evolved to push you. It's a motivational signal. Your brain's way of saying you're wasting your potential. Move, build, create. Think about every great invention, work of art, or discovery in human history. Most of them started with someone who was bored and decided to do something about it. Isaac Newton discovered gravity while stuck at home during a plague. Einstein developed his theory of relativity while working a boring job at a patent office. Boredom forced their minds to wander, and wandering minds find things that focused minds miss. That's how breakthroughs are born. But modern life has created a problem. Our phone. Every time you feel bored, you reach for your screen. The boredom disappears, but so does the creative signal. Studies show that people who allow themselves to be truly, deeply bored score significantly higher on creativity tests. The data is clear, because when you sit with boredom, your default mode network keeps working. It connects ideas. It imagines futures. It finds answers. But chronic boredom, the kind that's never answered, is a different story. It's linked to depression, addiction, and even aggression. It quietly eats away at you. People who can never find meaning in anything become dangerous to themselves and to others. So boredom lives on a spectrum. On one end, the creative spark that built human civilization. On the other, the emptiness that destroys lives. The difference? Whether you listen to it or run from it. So next time you're bored, don't reach for your phone. Don't escape it. Sit with it. Let your brain do its thing. Because somewhere in that uncomfortable silence, your best ideas are waiting. And maybe, just maybe, the answer your brain finds will change everything.